lot of dishes around here that call for taco seasoning. We make burritos, we make taco salad, 7-layer dip, we use it for that. And I've been making my own taco seasoning for years instead of buying those separate little packs. And I am going to share with you how I make my own seasoning. It's very easy. It takes these ingredients here. I have a special container that I keep my taco seasoning in, and I printed out the recipe and I taped it with packing tape to the container so that I don't have to go look it up in the cookbook every time I make this. So this is real easy. You just get these seasonings and minced onion. You don't have to buy these big of containers, but I use a lot of spices. And if you see here, they all come in sizes about like this. You can buy this size if you'd like. I also have my little scooper in here. That's a 1 tablespoon scoop. So for minced onions, it takes a 1/2 cup. That's the biggest portion that you need. Then we need a 1/4 cup of sea salt. Quarter cup of chili powder. Having trouble with my containers today. They don't want to open. And a 1/4 cup of paprika. Then I go to cornstarch. That takes 2 tablespoons. Garlic powder, just 1 tablespoon. I use a lot of garlic powder too, but seems to get hard in the container if I buy the bigger container, so I just buy the smaller container and just buy it more often. This is dried oregano. I do 1 tablespoon of that. And cumin. Won't be long and I need to get more of this. Cumin is 2 tablespoons. I love cumin. Okay, then I'm going to leave this out for a second, and that's all it takes. Now, this is my tablespoon measure that we just keep in here all the time because we use this all the time. But it takes 2 tablespoons of seasoning for 1 pound of meat. And the recipe that I just did here makes 12 pounds of meat. Usually I make a double batch. I'll probably get me some more cumin before I make another batch though. So what do you use taco seasoning for? I'm curious to know. And if you have any great recipes with taco seasoning, put it in the comments because I'd love to try it. That was easy.